Morteza here with Heartbeat, and I'm going to show you how to limit channels to specific access groups in your community. So remember, these access groups are places in your community where you can create different subsets and kind of segments of members. You can do this based off memberships people pay you, different attributes that members have, and we have a full guide on all the different types of access groups that you can create. But say I've got a couple different access groups created and I want to make a channel that is just for them. I can go ahead and click these three dots to create a channel, or I can just click this add button at the bottom left and add a new channel over here. In here, I can call this my private channel just for some of my pro tier members. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this private channel, set as private channel option. From here, I can choose who has access to this channel. Generally, you're going to want to have your administrators in the community have access, and then maybe now I want to have my pro tier members have access as well too. What this is going to do is now only these two groups of folks are even going to see that this channel exists. Nobody else is going to see that this channel is here. And so this way, I have an easy way of creating specific channels that only a certain set of members in my community can even see. From there, I can go ahead and hit create, and I'm good to go. As soon as someone enters into my pro tier access group, they will automatically get access to this channel. They'll be able to see all the posts, all the comments that happen in this channel. Thanks so much for watching. Let us know if there's anything else we can help with.